So the Fed has spoken with its latest 25 basis point rate hike. And you might be wondering, is it even worth trading around times like this when this crazy volatile news comes out and this is what the 60-minute chart of the ES looks like? You might be wondering, does the market even respect any sort of rules of technical analysis? Well, I'm going to challenge myself to explore that with you, looking at the 1-minute chart of this market, which I have not looked at since that news came out, because frankly, I'm in the middle of a move and I was setting up my new kitchen. So I came back home and I opened up the chart and I'm going to set a 3-minute timer studying the 1-minute chart and deploying HEMA ready analysis. All right. So here we go. 3-minute chart. We're on. 3-minute timer, I should say. So here is when the news came out, and then here's when Chair Powell's press conference started. So right off the bat, I see we have a GAN candlesticks nano level, and we can see that that held a key nano level with the RSI power zones, my favorite momentum indicator, holding the bear support power zone. We sailed higher from there and formed another outside range that provided resistance. It wasn't actually touched this time around, but we got a lower high on the chart that became the second drive down. So the drives I see in this move are here and here, okay, and over here. So the colors we're not going to worry about because I don't have time to change colors. All right, so with that, we had this 3-drive move lower, then it ended up with a good old bull bear RSI face-off down below. Excellent defensive call to manage your trades, and then the market raised higher from there. And actually, in this short-term move here, if you take a look at your GAN trading pattern system, this provided an excellent buy opportunity right here. Okay, the 15:24, so 3:24 p.m. Eastern bar on the 1-minute chart. Started moving higher from there, and we got 3 more drives unfold. This short guy here is going to take us off snap mode so I can draw more easily because time is taken. This one that broke down into multiple segments, remember the markets are fractal, and then this guy right here. And check this out, how that move higher into 4 p.m. close actually brought us back to the midpoint of that GAN nano outside candle. Now, the stock market closes at 4 p.m. Eastern, but the futures market technically closes around 4:15. So there was a pullback down below, but note here that the RSI power zones lifted up from the bull support power zone in that rally. And, you know, I'm coming in at under a minute here and I've done it. I have done the analysis. So let's kind of set us up with a little bit of bonus by rewinding back in time and looking at all of this together to see where we might be headed, okay? So right now, there is corrective weakness off of the closing high, meaning that there has been a pullback, but it has not taken out the most recent swing low from the about 3:55 p.m. hour. While we stay above that, for any of you maybe Australian traders that are kind of trading the overnight, I think there's room to return higher, and I would still monitor the resistance of that candle that ended at 14:44. So that's 2:44 p.m. Eastern. Looking at the RSI power zones, you can see it's not as simple as just buying the red zones, or I should say buying the green zones and selling the red zones. That's why I have the bull bear RSI face-off, 4 zones RSI coverage, and more. Ooh, just came in under the bell. Well, I wanted to give that a try because like I said, I'm in the middle of a move, and I've decided with this move to actually review all my belongings and move them thoughtfully since it's just 10 minutes away. We are hiring a mover for the big furniture, but my husband and I are choosing to move our small stuff on our own. It is a very cathartic and therapeutic experience, I must say. Not something I'll do every time I move in life, but it's been beneficial here. And the other thing that this move process, doing it manually, if you will, has done is it makes me make fast decisions, and that translates to your trading, guys. The shorter the time frame you trade, the faster decisions you have to make. That goes for whether the FOMC has just released news or you're just trading under normal market conditions, all right? So I hope that was a helpful exercise. If you liked it, please comment down below. And you know, I'm fairly humble. I never really ask you to take action on these videos, all right? But I would love if you subscribe to my channel if you want to stay in touch with everything I put out about the markets. I would love if you give this video a like, hitting that thumbs up button. And best of all, please comment down below, okay? I will personally reply to your comments if you post them down below. So Thanks again. I'll see you in the midst of this move until I settle in early August, and I'll catch you next time.